Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So, today I'm going to talk about something that what do we need to do? Do we need to choose the right that is right for ourselves, or should we choose to stick to the easiest path that is available to us? So, let's start with the relationship aspect only. So, when we go through a breakup, or maybe we go through something that is not very pleasant in our relationships, maybe the partner is not responding well, and we just keep comparing it to the past time, and we say that no, things will get better, this person should come back to me, or maybe even after breakup we take months and years to move on, and before that move on the time is this person really going to come back or not? And then we do a lot of, like, the time is very anxious, like we are full of anxiety, negative emotions, and the relationship is the only problem, that we can't focus on our work, on our social life. Nothing seems to be pleasing during that time. And what we can always think of is कि यार, when will she or he come back in my life? Maybe if we are not meant to be, that this person should at least realize what he has or she has done to me, and apologize for the fact that I went through so much, and still this person is not ready to realize his or her mistake. So, why does this happen? Why do we want to stick to something? Because we have invested. Is this like, I have heard a lot of people saying that I have given 8 years, 5 years, 3 years, and so many years to this relationship. So, how can I let this person go from my life? But why don't you all understand that there was a reason that why you have spent these many years with a person, so that you can understand that you are not meant to be with somebody like this. You deserve someone much better. So even if you are choosing a path that is right, how that is right for you, for your future development, you should be thankful to that person, that this person for little period of time came into your life to teach you the lesson that God is trying to tell you, right? So for example, there's a person A. She's very emotional, and she trusts everybody easily, and every time she gets betrayed by her friends, family, cousins, and still she is able to trust people easily. So that means that even after meeting so many people in her life, she's still ready to trust more people around her more than herself. How is it even justified? आप कहीं तो अपने ऊपर एक स्टैंड लो, अपने बारे में सोचो. Why can't you think of yourself? Right? So it's better that we choose the hardest path that God is trying to show us, because after that hard part, the journey is very beautiful. So my trainer, my mentor, she told me a story once, and she told me, like I was anxious about something, and she told me, and I was asking her that why being a good soul, or maybe I haven't done any harm to anybody, or even if I have unintentionally, why am I going through all of this? So she told me one thing, and I'm going to share that story with you today. So there was this sculpture artist. उसको काम मिला कि उसको एक पत्थर से एक बहुत सुंदर इमारत बनानी है. तो उसने अपना काम शुरू किया. अब पत्थर को, वो इमारत सुंदर बनाने के लिए पत्थर को ठोकेगा, पीटेगा, सब कुछ करेगा. तो पत्थर को दर्द होगा, और उस आर्टिस्ट के हाथों को भी दर्द होगा, क्योंकि बार बार कॉन्स्टेंटली यू आर हैमरिंग समथिंग, तो दर्द तो होगा ना. सो उसको दर्द हो रहा था, एंड तो वो पत्थर वॉज वेरी रिजिड विद द पेन. पत्थर सेड कि यार मुझे ना नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, मुझे ये चीज़ समझ में नहीं आ रही है, यार आप मेरे को मत करो. तो आर्टिस्ट सेड कि तुम थोड़ा सब्र करो, थोड़ा पेन बर्दाश्त कर लो, बिकॉज वन डे यू आर गोइंग टू टर्न इन टू समथिंग रियली ब्यूटिफुल. सो विद द वेरी क्रैंकी मूड, दैट स्टोन वॉज लाइक, अच्छा चलो ठीक है, बट मैं ज़्यादा पेन मत देना. तो आर्टिस्ट सेड कि ठीक है, आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पेन ना हो, बट आई एम गोना डू इट. he again started hammering and everything, and after some time the pathar, that stone, gave up कि यार मुझे नहीं करवाना, मेरे को मत दो ये पेन, I can't do this. And he got very angry. So the path that he was given was a difficult one, because he had to bear a lot of pain to become something beautiful. So that stone didn't want to take the pain, so he chose the easy path, and he was like, no, you use me in some other area of this building, of this monument, and I don't want to do this. So the artist gave up finally. उसने समझाने की कोशिश करी. अब उसके बाद there was another stone that came in. उसको समझाया कि it will pain for a bit, but wait for the end result. So उसने क्या, उसने वेट किया, उसको भी पेन हुआ, बट वो आँख मीच के सारा पेन बर्दाश्त कर गया. एंड देन इट टर्न्ड आउट इनटू अ ब्यूटिफुल मॉन्यूमेंट. और जो पहले वाला स्टोन था उसको यूज़ किया स्टेयरकेस में, फ्लोर पे. सो अब जब बहुत साल हो गए एंड दैट मॉन्यूमेंट गॉट फेमस, पीपल वर कमिंग फ्रॉम डिफरेंट एरियाज एंड टू विजिट दैट मॉन्यूमेंट. बट पत्थर पे लोग चल रहे थे, जो फ्लोर था, सीढ़ियाँ थी, उस पर लोग चल रहे थे, तो लोगों का भार. बट जो मॉन्यूमेंट था वो अपनी जगह पे था, खूबसूरत था, लोग सुंदरता की तारीफ कर रहे थे. तो क्या इससे हमें क्या मॉरल मिलता है? इससे हमें ये मॉरल मिलता है कि जब हमारी स्पिरिचुअल इवॉल्वमेंट का टाइम आता है, जब हमारा टाइम आता है दैट वी हैव टू डू समथिंग रियली ब्यूटिफुल इन लाइफ, और मे बी वी हैव टू एक्सप्लोर आवरसेल्व्स, द ब्यूटी ऑफ अस एंड नॉट अदर्स, तो वी हैव टू गो थ्रू अ लिटिल पेन, राइट? सो वो पेन, आई हैव ऑल्सो गॉन थ्रू दैट पेन एंड आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग थ्रू दैट पेन, राइट? एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव टू गो थ्रू दैट पेन. अगर आप अपने अनविलिंगनेस से वो पेन को इग्नोर करते रहते हो, या उसको डिनायल में यू डोंट वांट टू कम क्लोजर टू यू बिकॉज यू आर नॉट रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट दैट पेन, तो आगे की जो आपकी लाइफ है वो वैसे ही डिसाइड होगी. सी, पेन एंड हर्ट एंड हैप्पीनेस आर द फ्लिप साइड्स ऑफ अ कॉइन, राइट? एक साइड हैप्पीनेस है तो एक साइड हर्ट है. सिर्फ हैप्पीनेस रहेगी तो एक्साइटमेंट नहीं होगी, प्लस लेसन्स नहीं होंगे. You can choose to live the normal way out, but these lessons are very important for the evolvement of your soul. So if anything is happening with you, if a relationship is not working out, then, and if you think कि ये चीज़ मुझे बहुत एक्सट्रीम पेन दे रही है, तो या तो आप उसको इतना पेशेंटली वेट करो एंड तब इन्वेस्ट करो when you know that it is going to turn into something beautiful. When the person is not respecting you, the person is least bothered about how you feel, the person is being with someone else, the person still while being with you thinks about someone else, then why do you need to ruin your beauty for something like that? Just get apart, leave that relationship, see the struggle, be independent, learn to trust yourself, learn to fill in that love in yourself and see how beautiful your life gets. So I hope it was easy and clear, and of course ये story मुझे बहुत पसंद है because इस story से मैंने काफ़ी कुछ सीखा है. So that is why I've brought the story in front of you all, and I hope you all will like it. Thank you, and if you like it, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care.